Hello, we are team number 4, and we are gonna talk about what DNA tells us about ourselves. These are the team members. Okay, introduction. Genetics and bioinformatics allow scientists to study human ancestry and understand our past as a species. In the article, it is explained how DNA can answer questions about human origins and migrations.
What is DNA? DNA is considered the instruction manual of the human body. It is made up of four letters A, T, G, and C, which combine to form the genetic code. Although every person is unique, human DNA is about 90% identical. The small percentage that varies between individuals is what makes each person different.
DNA variation and uses. The 1% difference in DNA can be used for many purposes. Scientists use it to identify individuals, study diseases, and analyze ancestry. Some DNA regions are used in forensic investigations, while others help researchers find genetic mutations linked to diseases.
Haplogroups and ancestry. Scientists study haplogroups to trace ancestry. The Y chromosome is used to track paternal lineage, while mitochondrial DNA is used to trace material lineage. These genetic markers help researchers understand how populations evolve over time. Using population scientists study ancient DNA. This DNA is often damaged and difficult to extract. However, new technology allows scientists to analyze degraded DNA and obtain information about ancient human populations.
Okay, recent studies. Research led by Inigo Olalde and Carl Laluesa Fox from Harvard Medical School analyzed ancient DNA from individuals over 8,000 years. They discovered several migrations, including movements from northern Spain, North Africa, and Central Europe. One surprising result showed that around 4,500 to 4,000 years ago, a migration from Central Europe also completely replaced the male population of the Iberian Peninsula.
Another study from the University of Santiago de Compostela analyzed more than 1,400 individuals. The researchers found that genetic difference follow an east-west pattern rather than north-south. They also identified African migrations and connections with historical kingdoms from more than 50 years ago.
Now, in conclusion, these discoveries show that DNA not only tells us about our biological traits, but also reveals the history of human populations and migrations over thousands of years. Thanks to advances in genetics, bioinformatics, and technology, scientists can now study ancient DNA and better understand how humans moved, mixed, and evolved. These studies help explain cultural diversity, historical events, and population changes that shape modern societies. In the future, continued research will provide even more information about our origins and connections, helping us understand that despite our differences, all humans share a common genetic history.
Okay, that will be all. And thank you for your attention.